Hey! Look what I made today, earlier on. Don't worry, I'm not going to show you how to make this dog because I've only made it once, so I probably won't remember. I'm going to show you how to make, where's he gone? This little yellow tweety-like bird. Very quick and easy. Okay, you've flown up a yellow balloon, you've left him at the end. Yay. What we need to do first is one of these little petal twists or fold twist or whatever you call it in your language. And get the knot and put the knot through. Okay, we've done that. Then we measure it over the top like that. Yeah, that fits. So then you want to go like that. Then we do two little more little fold twisters. One. And there's two. Now then, I'm going to roll this one back in there. Like so. Why is that not falling? Well, you can spend more time tapping with him. That's up to you. So then you've got something like that, and then what we do is we fold this back up here, like so. And then pinching a little bubble at the ends there for his little tail. There we go. Put that there. And do a parrot roll through. Like that. Okay. Then when you've done that bit, you get these little, where's the camera gone? There we go. You've got these little water bombs, which I love. Get your balloon pump, of course. There you go, pump it up, keep hold of it, put the other one on. Pump it up, and then hold them together, let the air out till they're the same size. And then tie them together. 1, 2, 3, turn them round. Yay! Like that, you see, nice and springy. Then you get your tail, and you just attach them to the tail. Wrap them around a few times, knot them. So, and now we want his beak, which is another little orange water bomb. Now what I do is blow that up. Where are you? There we go, blow that up. And you let it down, let it down, let it down, let it down, let it down. So you've got a soft nozzle here. Decide what side you want it. Well, I want it that big, let's see. Tie that. Oh, come on. Like so. And again. And then we just pass that through the face there. Like that. Fiddle with it a bit. And get your marker pen. Oh hey! there you have them. Tweety like bird. Can you see that? Tweet, tweet. Tweety, tweety, tweet, tweet. And the body, and the feet. And there you have it. There's your Tweety birds. Okay, thank you very much. Bye for now. Have a nice day.